Alright boys, I've got this Deus 2 HF2 coil out here. I've got this machine set up. If I was going to use the 29 kilohertz to hunt with, I could use the 53 kilohertz. But let's just see what happens here. This YouTube video, it's real time. Okay? So what I'm going to do is this is going to be sort of a simulation. I'm going to come over that target from about 3 inches, that can slaw, and then we're going to repeat after with that gold ring. Okay? Now, I'm not going to show you the screen and shit in this camera. But you may hear me talk while I'm doing this. Okay? I'll narrate a little bit on what I'm seeing. And I'm not trying to do this to be, you know, I'm not going to be doing this to be a speed contest. I'm going to do this like I would probably go out in the side and actually use it. All right? So you're going to hear me, when I sweep the target initially, it reads in gold ring range, okay? I'll say the word start. I'll transition through the programs. You'll hear me talking as I'm doing it. I may say a little bit about what the machine is reading. If I say the word dismiss, the clock stops. So you get a look in that video at how long it took me to make the decision. I'll sweep this 2 different ways even. Okay? The gold ring, I will do the same thing. I'll use the word start after I get a sweep or two saying, uh-oh, gold ring range, and I'll proceed to check the target. And when I get to where it's like dig on the gold ring, the clock stops. So you get a look at the time differential in the video. So you get to see how long it took me to make a no dig decision on that and had to make a dig decision on that. I will use the same programs and check both targets. Okay? Let's just see how long this takes. And I'm not going to do this to try to set a damn land speed record. I'm going to do this like I would use it in the wild. Okay? But you're going to get to see the call being moved. All right? So really the time is going to start. I have to first initially, you know, detect the target to be a, you know, and the ID to have interest to me. Okay? Now I don't think I've got any notch in this machine, but I'd probably run the notch on this machine up to about 35 for my hunt program, probably as a minimum, to reject some of the smallest bullshit modern trash out there. Might run it a little higher, may go up to 37, 36, 40, depending. Okay? So, I'm in the hunt program right now, okay? Okay, I had to turn the camera off because I had a little wind issue here, okay? So I got the machine set, it's in my hunt program, 29 kilohertz channel 0, okay? We're gonna do the can slaw first, okay? Okay, I've swept it. It reads 51. That interests me. Start the timer. I went to 89 kilohertz. It reads 52. It reads 50 in the 88 kilohertz. I've rotated on the target. It reads 51. I'm backing back through it. It reads 80. In 89 kilohertz, it reads 52. 29. Multi-frame general reads 51. Reject. I'm walking. Alright? I'll leave the camera run here. I had to put that plastic on that foil here. We had a little gust of wind, you know, and it took off with me. That's why I turned the camera off. There's no hokey pokey in my videos, boys. I don't want to show any damn hanky-panky bullshit. Alright? Now remember, these two read very, very close, if not identical, in 29 kilohertz on this machine. So you got to watch the behavior now of this gold ring. I will call it out. All right, so now I went back to I'm in my 29 kilohertz band, and notice I backtracked When I rotated on the target, I seen similar behavior, sweeping that can slot both directions. So that saves some time, huh? Okay, so here we go. The camera's running. Okay, I've got 50 in the meter. I'm interested in that target. Start the timer. 29 kilohertz, it read 50. It reads 55 in the 89 kilohertz band. I'm very interested in this target. Deus mono 88.3 kilohertz reads 57. I'm rotating on this target. I'm still seeing 57 in the window of the mono program. I see 55, 54, 55 in the 89 kilohertz band. I see 50 in the 29 kilohertz band. Dig. Stop the clock. All right. And the machine is back. After I dig that target, I'm back in my 29 kilohertz hunt program. Okay, so after I dig that one, if I walk on that one, I'm back to my 29 kilohertz hunt. If I dig that one, I'm back. I didn't see no 57 ID on the can slaw in the 88.3 kilohertz. I didn't see 55 come up in the window on that can slaw like I did that gold ring in the 89 kilohertz band. Okay? So how long did it take me? Well, I don't know. I ain't looked at the video. Y'all are going to get to see it. There's the can slaw I used, and there's the gold ring. This is just a simulation, you know, for a target that could be a mere 2 or 3 inches deep. Can slaw versus gold ring, for example. Now, the dig time for that gold ring's not figured in. It's not figured in. All right? That's going to conclude the video.